It's 9 a.m. and today I'm eating Taco Bell. A comer. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Let's see what we got in here. Napkins. Okay, they gave me a lot of napkins. Fork. Popote. Diablo sauce. I personally wouldn't promote Taco Bell, but I've been seeing it all over TikTok, so I was like, you know what, I gotta try it. And by the way, it's been about 2 years since I had Taco Bell on everything. And these are, I forgot what they said. I don't know if it was Diablo fries. I'm gonna lie, these look fire. Quesadilla, 2 crunchy tacos. So I got this deal. Like, I thought it came with like a burrito or something, but I guess it's hard tacos, hard shell tacos. I'm disappointed. I wanted a burrito. These got new chalupa. These are tiny. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Chalupa's pretty good. And this is Mountain Dew. These are good though. I paid like 21 bananas for this. This is a chicken quesadilla. Crema, avocado. Let's go. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Some mid. You know what, chinga su madre, we're gonna put the chalupa in there too. Chalupa quesadilla with fries. Take a bite. Take a bite. That Diablo sauce almost tastes like Tabasco. That looks crazy. Save the best for last. What do I see? Last bite. Mountain Dew. Peace.